Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. I have this 12 volt 10 ampere power supply, no output. Let's fix it. If you don't have good experience in electronics, never try to repair because here are unisolated live voltage. Take care for the safety. I will apply power using series lamp and we will monitor the lamp condition. I will apply line and neutral on these two terminals. The lamp draws current, that means its input circuit is clear. AC voltage 235.9 volt. Check DC output, no output. Let's open it. Never touch any component in this portion. Even the power is removed. Might be this capacitor is holding charge and it will give severe electrical shock. UC3842 IC. First we will verify voltage at pin number 7 and 8 with reference to pin number 5. 5 number pin is ground of this IC. Pin 7 VCC and pin 8 reference voltage. DC voltage, really fantastic, 54 volt. Reference voltage minus 120 millivolt, but 54 volt at VCC pin. That means there is no chance of this IC. It means its VCC circuit is good, startup resistor is good. Maybe VCC capacitor is also damaged. And if there are 54 volts, that means this IC surely damaged because there is 34 volt or 36 volt clamping diode in this IC. Before working on this circuit, verify voltage on this capacitor, 45 volt. Now it is in safe limit. In the first step, I will replace this IC. When we have 54 volt on this VCC pin, that means there is no chance for this IC. It must be damaged. Yes, this is the damage sign on this rosin. Yes, we can see this crack. Yes, it is UC3842. I will verify this capacitor as well, because it is exposed to voltage above than its limit. .8 microfarad. 100 microfarad, 35 volt. Now I will verify its ESR value. Its value is 99 microfarad, 0 ESR. That means this capacitor is good. I will use the same capacitor. I will verify this VCC rectifier. It's good. Let's check it now. Yes, that's great. The LED is on now. If you enjoyed this repair process, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.